Hi, Gaurav.
Hi, madam.
This is Aruna from Quality Department. I just want to take a feedback from your side. So, like before starting that, congratulations for your placements.
Thank you.
So, can you introduce about yourself?
My name is Gourav Reddy. I studied my BE Civil in Bellary Institute of Technology and Management, and I completed my PU in Davangere, Vaishnavi Chaitanya College, and my high school in SGM College, SGM School, High School. And now I am pursuing in CMTI Institute, Bengaluru. Yes.
So, how did you get to know about CMTI?
Once Ashok sir came to our college, and he said about CMTI and placement, everything. So I joined for CMTI.
Okay, fine. So, which course you have opted here?
I selected IDM course, interior design course.
Okay, so what and all you learned in that?
I learned AutoCAD, SketchUp, and hardwares. And I also visited sites, Glamood, Srushti Interiors, Homeland, and others.
Okay. So, what about your trainers and all? How was their approach?
Irshad sir teach me about interiors.
Okay, fine. What about your placements things, Gaurav? So, how was that process to you?
Yes. First, they ask about self-introduction and education qualification and what we learned in CMTI. That only they ask.
Okay. So, whether Shweta ma'am was providing you opportunities?
Yes.
Fine. So, what do you want to say to your friends and juniors?
I refer to join CMTI. I've seen my friends in my juniors.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much for your feedback.